Closing market comments for Tuesday, April the 6th. Markets opened last night higher and traded both sides in corn and wheat, but stayed higher on the soybeans throughout the day. At the close, corn was up 1 cent on old and down 5 cents on new. Beans were up 6 cents on old and up 2 cents on new. And wheat closed lower, down 2 on old and down 1 cent on new. USDA released their first weekly condition and crop progress reports last night. They were delayed until after 5. Corn nationally is 2% planted, same as last year and the 5-year average. Texas is 55%, Louisiana 86%, Mississippi 38%, Georgia 49%, and South Carolina 27%. Nothing planted in the upper corn belt. Spring wheat was 3% planted, same as last year and above the 2% on the 5-year average. Winter wheat is 4% headed. That's above 3% from last year and 3% on the 5-year average. Winter wheat conditions were rated 53% good to excellent. That's above last year, but below the 5-year at 62%. Last fall, when we went into the winter wheat was rated at 46% good to excellent. Indiana was 69%, Ohio 77%, Illinois 74%, Michigan 69%, Wisconsin 69%, Kentucky 86%, and Tennessee 75%. Hard red winter wheat in the plains was all below normal due to the hot, dry conditions they've had there over the winter and throughout the year. Farmer selling has been light in many areas, having weather that is allowing farmers to get started in the fields. That's stopped the selling and has guys busy with planting progress. Crop insurance date for planting in our area is April 10th and 24th for soybeans. Rain is expected in many parts of Brazil over the coming days, but it is already dry there, so we'll have to see how that weather continues moving forward. North Dakota is becoming a concern because of their dry weather, along with South Dakota and Minnesota not being far behind. Most of the Midwest is calling for rain over the next week. Taiwan had a pig wash up on shore that tested positive for African swine fever. Don't know where it came from. They're doing additional testing on the pigs there to see if it spread. Talk of the cull rate in sows in China was 20%, is now as high as 30%. Dr. Kerdanier is expecting U.S. corn acres to be between 92 and 93 million, and USDA was 91.1. Bean acres at 89 to 90, and USDA was 87.4. So we'll have to see how that happens as we go forward. Again, the planting estimates on March 31st were that estimate. They could definitely be different when final planting is done. He left Brazil's bean crop at 133 and their corn crop at 105 compared to the USDA at 109 and 134. He had his Argentine numbers on corn at 45.5 and beans at 46, with the USDA at 47.5 on both. The Goldman roll will start on Thursday, rolling May to July on futures. The dollar is down today 250 points at 92.390. Gold was up 14.10 at 1742.90, and silver was up 420 points at 25.200. Crude oil rebounded after yesterday's sharp sell-off, trading at 59.33, up 68 cents. And stocks traded both sides before closing today mixed. Dow futures down 102, Nasdaq up 5, and S&P down 3. Just a reminder, we will have a WASDE report out from the USDA on Friday at noon, and we'll try to get pre-report estimates out either tomorrow or Thursday. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.